In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile accounts in Zoho Books. This simple, straightforward process will help keep your financial records accurate and up to date. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to sign into Zoho Books. If you haven't done this before, just navigate to the Zoho Books webpage. Once you're there, you'll see the sign in button, typically located in the top right corner of the page. Click on that to begin the login process. You'll then see an option to sign in using Google. Click on the Google button to proceed. It's a quick way to log in using your existing Google account, avoiding any additional passwords to remember. Next, choose the Google account associated with your Zoho Books access. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you select the one linked to your Zoho Books. At this point, depending on your internet speed, the page might take a little while to load, so just hang tight and be patient. Once you're logged in, you'll need to direct your attention to the banking tab. This is where all the financial transactions are coordinated. Click on the banking tab to open it up. After you've done that, locate your bank account details on the subsequent page and click on them. This leads you to a detailed view of your transactions. Now look to the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a small gear icon. This icon typically represents settings or additional options, so go ahead and click on it. From the options that appear, select Reconcile Account. This is the first step in ensuring that your bank records and Zoho Books match up. After selecting Reconcile Account, you should see an option labelled Reconcile Now. Clicking this will take you to a page where you can enter your closing balance. This amount should be sourced from your most recent bank statement to ensure accuracy. Type in the closing balance and double check it to prevent errors in the reconciliation process. With the closing balance entered, click on Start Reconciliation. This action opens up the main reconciliation environment where you match your bank statement with the entries in Zoho Books. You'll want to start balancing and reconciling the account, adjusting any mismatched entries you find. Aim to get the difference to 0, meaning your books and bank statements are perfectly aligned. Once you've reconciled and everything balances out evenly, hit the Reconcile button to finalize the process. This action locks in the changes and updates your account status, ensuring that your financial records accurately reflect your bank activity. And that's it, you've successfully reconciled an account in Zoho Books. This process, though seeming intricate at first, quickly becomes second nature with practice, and is vital for maintaining accurate financial records. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks in managing your books.